Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English class grade 5. And we are reading unit 2, that is Who's the One. In our previous lecture we did workbook pages 10, 11 and 12, and today we are going to read lesson 3 of unit 2. That is from your class book, page number 13. The topic is creative characters. Okay, let's start reading. Making characters that readers like reading about is an important part of writing. When you are making a character for a story, it's important to make the main characters believable and well developed. Read the example below. Mindy, who was a bit late for school, pulled on her purple and green shirt. Sometimes her friends teased her about the bright colors she wore, but Mindy didn't mind. Mindy, who was a cheerful, joyful person, saw her clothes as a way of showing her cheerfulness. If Mindy wore dark clothes, she felt dark and sad. So she would wear brightly colored clothes. Mindy was excited about school today because she was giving in her science project. It would be part of the big science fair. She had worked hard on the project and it would be half of her science grade. She was hoping to do well. Okay. Now come to the question A. Choose a character to write about. Give the character a name. Tell about what the character thinks about, what the character does, what they look like, etc. You can see on this question, here's a Tilly's box, that is a character development. You have to read these points by yourselves. First, look at the question B, that is write a paragraph in your notebook about your character. Use at least 4 relative clauses. So I'll provide you a paragraph about your character. You have to note down that paragraph on your notebooks, and in question A you have to give answers from that paragraph. So the name of our character is Jerry, and Jerry is a well-known character among all the children, even they are students or something else. Okay, character's name Jerry. What does the character think about? It always thinks about to tease Tom, that is the cat. So our character is the Jerry, Tom and Jerry, that are very famous cartoons, and Jerry always thinks about to tease the Tom. Okay, number 3, what do they look like? So here we will tell the appearance of Jerry. Jerry is a little brown mouse that is very quick to annoy Tom and is very naughty. And number 4 is other information about your character. So Tom and Jerry is an animated franchise and series of comedy short films. I hope you understood. Okay, now come to the page. First look at the paragraph Here the paragraph is given about the character. Jerry, that is a small brown mouse, is very naughty. And always very quick to annoy, and thinks about to tease Tom, that is a blue-gray cat. Tom and Jerry is an animated franchise and series of comedy short films which centers on a friendship and rivalry, a love-hate relationship between the characters Tom and Jerry. You have to note down this paragraph on your neat notebooks. Now come to the page number 14. Write activities. Question A. Push Me, Pull You is a make-believe animal that has a head at both ends of its body. You can see in the picture. Okay, make words for the Push Me, Pull You to read by adding the letters of one word backwards to another word. You can see the word bank. Here words are given to you. First one is already done, that is carnival and still. You can see carnival, still. The carnival is written in right orders and still is written in backward orders. You can see the last letter of both words is same, that is L. Carnival, still. Carnival forwarded and still is backward. Clues are also given there. Number 2. First of all, we will look at the clues. About two. So, couple means about two. And a tall, thin animal, that is a giraffe. So, we will write in forwarded order couple and in backward order giraffe. Number 3. Wild, amazing or without control, that is crazy. And next is having lots of turns, so that is twisty. Crazy, twisty. Number 4 is before anything else, so that is first thing. And ask, so that is beg. First thing, beg. Okay, question B. Using the words and phrases in the box, finish the following story. Here words are given. You have to put the words in the right place. Lane is a girl who likes fast, crazy rides, but her friend Stacy likes the slow rides. They decide to go to the carnival that is in town. The first thing they do is buy a few tickets for a couple of rides. Lane begs Stacy to go on the Ferris wheel with her, but Stacy says, "Not so fast. I like to keep my feet on the ground. So let's go on the merry-go-round." First, it goes in circle like the Ferris wheel, but it's slow. Come to the next page. Page number 15. Question C. Read, listen and match. So we don't have yet the audio cassette of Write 5. So we will skip this question for the time being. Come to question D. Put the relative clauses in the right order, then rewrite the sentences. Number 1. The clown, unicycle, who, the, road, could also juggle. Here you can see in brackets there are the words that are scrambled. We have to unscramble these words and rewrite the sentence. First one is already done. Number 2, we went down the giant slide. Meters was 30 high that. We went down the giant slide that was 30 meters high. And next is, I liked the clown chased that by was bull the. I liked the clown that was chased by the bull. Question E. Circle the wrong word and write the correct one on the line. Number 1 is already done. Number 2. William, that is fixing the car tomorrow, will buy some oil for it today. So that is used for things or animals or things, not for humans. So we will circle the word that and we will write the correct word who in the blank. Sandy gave her friend a gift who she bought in France. So for the things we use which, circle the word who and write the word which in the blank. Okay. Number 4, Mark and I, that will go to the carnival tomorrow, want to see the animal show. So here, Mark and I, who will go to the carnival tomorrow. So circle the word that and write the word who. So this is your homework, that you have to read the topic, that is creative characters, at least 2 times or 3 times with the accurate accent of language. Then you have to write the paragraph on your neat notebooks and solve question A on book. Similarly, on page 14 and 15 you have to complete and you have to solve these questions except question C. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.